The following video is a body-worn camera video from case 21-033180 on Sunday, June 20th, 2021. This is an ongoing internal affairs investigation. As soon as the Office of the Chief of Police was notified, an internal affairs investigation began immediately. In the utmost sense of transparency, we are releasing the body-worn camera video. As a reminder, audio begins 30 seconds after the body-worn camera is activated. At about 7 p.m. on Sunday, two Sarasota police officers on foot patrol contacted 32-year-old Malcolm Johnson at Fred Atkins Park.
First name? First name? No. What? We'll put it down for me.
For what? You put it down for what?
We'll put it down
Hey,
for me.
listen, hold on, man. What y'all grabbing me for?
Johnson was wanted on a felony warrant out of Manatee County. On the body-worn camera video, officers explained to Johnson he is wanted on a warrant and was going to be placed under arrest.
Hold up. Serious bet, 1094.
Johnson is seen on body-worn camera video resisting while officers attempted to take him into custody. He refused to follow the officer's commands.
2984. Put your hand behind your back.
During Johnson's resisting, one officer was injured and another officer had his body-worn camera knocked off.
Put your hand behind your back. You stop. Hey, unlock my phone. Stop. This could be easy. Let me out. Get off me.
Just hold him.
Get off me. Let me go. Let me go. You ain't got no go. You got a hell of a load. Let me go.
What dispatch, where are they showing that at?
All you gotta do is put your hands behind your back. Let me go.
3 dispatch, we're at Fred Atkins. We need an additional unit.
Hey.
Every area.
Hey. Hey.
Cell 5 form.
Go there. Hey man, listen, what are y'all gonna talk to me?
What's the number? Man, good luck, man. Go.
621 51 correct.
Malcolm.
623 1074.
Yeah, we got a wanted subject resisting us. Can we just get another unit?
Let me up, and I'll do it. Let me up, and I'll do it. Get off of me, and let me up. Yeah. Let me up. No, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
He's talking.
Let me up.
Sir, but you got his arm right here, sir.
Let me up. Now, 4-1. 320. Hey, how can you bend up my head? Let me up.
No, what's the number, Mal?
941. 320. 4147. Let me up.
No.
Let me up. Let me up. Let me up. Let me up. Man, let me up. Tell this cracker to let me up. Let me up. Let me up. Let me up. I'm in handcuffs, let me up, man. I'm in handcuffs, let me up.
Now we'll wait.
Let me up. Hey, that's
Where you
my
get
wrist.
In the
can
park.
you loosen up on my wrist?
You can back up.
She ain't gotta back up nowhere.
Go ahead and back up.
She ain't gotta back up nowhere.
Go, okay, I'm just going to start spraying everybody. Back up. We're not playing this game.
Let me up.
That's fine. You're all on body camera too.
So what me? Let me up. Let me up. Man, let me up. Let me up.
41, can you respond up here, please? We're 1074.
Let me up.
41.
Let me up.
Let me up. We just need to secure him. He's
Let me up.
He fought like 2.
Let me up. Hey, can you loosen up my wrist?
No. Man. No. We're going to do it over here.
Johnson was eventually taken into custody and transported to one of the officers' cars.
Get my phone and get my...
That was really stupid, bro. Told you had a warrant. Told you plenty of time. Gave you plenty of opportunity.
Man, you ain't giving me plenty of nothing.